right now what I'm doing is I am setting up my lava girl, my wolf spider, of her enclosure. I got her something a little, it's not a whole lot bigger than what she, please stop, Luke, but she has, but it is bigger. So I'm gonna put this down a little bit. And I have this for her because I just think it's cute. I have one side a little bit damper than the other, so I'm putting the live moss. A little silicone water bowl I'm putting between. I'm going to add a little bit more substrate because she likes to hide. This because I just like the color. It's more moss. It's just not the time we have it before. Some rocks, just a different texture for her to walk on. My water, that is in a ketchup bottle. Yes, that is in a ketchup bottle, but that is okay. Now the fun parts. Move it over here, buddy. Camera. Sorry, my little, I got a helper today. I gotta figure out where she's at though. Pretty sure we're right. If I jump, y'all are just gonna have to excuse me. Hold on, Luke. What's wrong? Alright, it's too late. Come on, girlfriend. Where did you go? Oh, crap. Oh, so she climbed on my shirt. Sorry, I'm just a skittish person. I'm not afraid of her. But she does make me jump because I'm just skittish. But yeah. So this is the lava girl. Alright, well she is done for. Hold this place. And then we're gonna put the lid on. This is her little house. Super cute, super simple. Now we have 2 more we're gonna house. Where's the little enclosure at? It's over here. This one, as far as I know, is not carrying an egg sac. Give her some of the other girl substrate since it's a stamp. Going to add more of this creature soil. Oh, they're right here. So like I said, I have a thing for adding rocks. So I'm going to add some rocks. not have any more of the live moss. Put it up here, please. But I have this, so I'm gonna add some of this to one side. It's just my child. Ignore him. It's perfectly fine. Okay. Now this little lady is like an orangish brown color. So I'm excited that we have her.
Here's your chance to really welcome him to the neighborhood. We'll welcome him so hard it'll make his tail spin. Now, where do we play with? Oh, hey, Wallace.
She's got a little orange tint on her legs too.
No thanks.
Oh, I'm gonna keep that.
Well, we could do something else.
Hold on, little lady.
Mind while you juggle? That's rad, but I can juggle 3 balls. And someday I'll be able to juggle them all at the same time. I'll pass.
That's one of the good Jace. Come on, Bubba. I know y'all missed it, but she's trying to climb up the sides, but she can't, which is the one good thing. Well, not the one good thing. There's a lot of things that I really like about wolf spiders is I do not have to worry about them climbing up the sides.
He's not dangerous. He's a nicest.
No, we're not coming out. Now I will have to go find her a little high from outside, but like they're usually burrowing, so I'm not too worried about it right now. So, but this is her setup. And I like these. They redid them to where they have the cup sides. Okay, so this is my last enclosure. We're gonna add this lady's old substrate and this substrate because they're pretty wet.
Oh, Mama, I thought there was a spider in there.
Oh no, we already rehoused her. I wouldn't be doing it like this if there was. Oh, my hands are dirty. That's okay. Oh my goodness, this stuff is so nice. Really didn't want to open this just yet, but I guess I will be because it is way too wet in here. But I'm using clean breakfast soil and now, which my cameraman did not use to notice his cue.
What?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
I didn't hear you.
I know, because you're not paying attention. I asked you if you wanted to be a cameraman, bro. Don't sign up for a job if you're not going to do it.
Okay.
So I have tried my best to not make a mess, which is why I have this container right here. However, I am failing miserably because my table is a mess. Do not do that. I don't think that was cute. I don't appreciate it. Because I have no idea how to edit, and I'm not taking that out. So now I have that noise in my video. Okay. So there's that. Oh, the sides are over. So I do use a makeup brush. And with my tarantulas, I do too. I don't use a paintbrush. Okay. So we're gonna find some rocks that I like, especially for her because she actually has an egg sac. Now I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with their born. The odds are I will, since they're native, I'll probably let the babies go when they're big enough to leave the mom. But I haven't decided quite fully on that. Homie, you can't see what I'm doing. Yes, I call my child homie. moss over here. There's stagnant moss. What happened, Bubba? Don't worry about the mouse. You're okay, baby. Little water bowl. My ketchup bottle for the. There we go. Stop, Bubba. What happened? Okay. 1 second, guys. I can't up. Oh my goodness, you're heavy, Luke.
Pretend to be so fishy or not, just to get others to like you. You're just the
Mwah. Now here's the little lady. Yeah, like I said, I'm probably gonna just let the babies go once she decides they're big enough that she doesn't have to carry them like this. Okay. But yeah, she's tiny as you can see. There. But anyways, so yeah, so she's, oh, you know what? I don't know. Daniel, I'm almost done, Bubby. I have no idea if she'll eat or not, but just be to see her.
Why would we want to play with a spiky little urchin like you?
Because he's cool, funny, and throws a killer curveball.
Let me see, baby.
Just because he looks different. That's so weird. It shouldn't matter if you're an urchin, a dolphin, or even a shark. Wait, that's what William was trying to tell me earlier. Whatever. Excuse me. I need to go make something right.
You're okay. Come on, Mama. You do need to eat. Your bud's little.
Sounds fun. But we need 2 more fishies to play. I like Minnow Minnow
You see
too. Maybe I can play with you. Huh? You want to play with me even though I'm a shark? Yeah. I thought you said you didn't play with sharks. I know. I did say that. And I'm sorry. I've always been told that sharks are dangerous, but it's not right to treat fishies differently just because they're, well, different.
Come on, girlfriend. You gotta
I just
eat.
swim with all sorts of fishies.
Yes, I'm calling Spider Girlfriend.
More interesting. Yeah, I'm starting to get that. So,
Okay, if she doesn't eat. Oh, there we go. There we go. She just didn't want to move for it.
I don't know, Wallace. It really hurt my feelings. But I appreciate you trying to make it right. So,
I heard you eat
accept your
num-nums.
apology. Really? Thank you. And how about we play Minnow Minnow Tuna?
Follow her over there. Oh, sorry. baby.
I know
I gotta put you
just the fish.
What are you
Minnow, Minnow, Tuna.
Can I put you down now? Look, I gotta feed her. Alright, get over some days. Just your body. Go sit by Jason Bear. Alright, you record her while I take the lid off this one. Stay right there.
Hey, Mom.
I see. Oh, a baby. Alex, don't mess with it, baby. I mean, Bubba. A Bubba. Wow. Rosie.
Let's stand there and newsfish.
Hey, baby.
All right, go to the ground, girl.
It's take your goat to work day.
This just in. I'm so excited to see your studio, Mom.
Okay.
Are these all of your award-winning news stories?
Yep.
So I've heard plenty of people say you can tongue feed these guys.
And here's when he saved the
I'm not
whole
worried about
shop.
inviting me.
And of course, this was when he
So I
pretended
figure I
to be
would
the
give it a
mayor.
go. Oh, just kidding, I dropped it.
He's in the news a lot.
I tell you, William, that little shark is just plain good television.
Oh,
Now, come
baby.
on, let's see the amazing
Oh, my
treasure.
baby. I want
Are you? No, you can't have none of those. You don't need them.
News Dad.
No,
Well, don't just float there. Try it out.
you gotta have it. It's good for you.
This is William Manson reporting.
Come on,
I'm having
come on.
so much
No.
fun.
Oh.
the desk looks good on you, Squiddo. Oh, Bart!
Hey.
I get to
Hey,
spend the day
baby.
in the dream team.
Jason,
You said it, and the ratings don't lie.
Without Barb, I'd be sunk.
Oh,
She's
no.
the best producer slash camera fishy in the 7 seas.
Thanks, partner.
Mom.
Hey, did you tell Willie
Hey,
about
baby.
our
No, we're gonna wait and see if she eats.
What's the surprise?
You're gonna do your own news story.
No way! You mean I'm gonna be a reporter?
I try it.
That's
Oh.
right. And you can't be a journalist
I
without.
do.
Big reveal! Your very own news
I
camera.
really wish I knew where my tongs were. Because I have another one I want to feed. But she is a lady that likes to live in a hole. So I'm going to leave this in here with her for just a little while to see if she eats because she, as you see, she just got rehoused. No, we are gonna feed them.
Let's go cruise for some news.
The treat shop? Oh, are you doing a story on the new tropical chum flavor?
We are.
So we're gonna chase over this one, baby. Oh, on top. Over top.
Secret to being a good reporter
That one.
is finding the heart of the story. So, Mr. Clownfish, I understand you've got a new tropical chum yum flavor on your menu?
That's right.
Well, we all know your chum yums are delicious. Tell me, what's the story behind this new flavor?
The story? I guess this tropical flavor reminds me of home. You see, my family
And don't touch them, okay?
when I was just a little cub. One bite of this tropical chum yum takes me back to my old home bars.
Thank you. There you have it, Mr. Clownfish.
No, those are owies. Here, you can play with that.
Share a taste of
I was talking about these.
It's right. That was Mr. Clownfish won't go so far away.
See, it's all about finding the heart of the story. Now let's see what else we can dig up. Briny, what can you tell us about this sale you're having? It's a whale of a sale. I'm making extra space on my shelf.
Really
Interesting. And what's the story behind this whale of a sale?
Well, the truth is, I am making room so I can have a karaoke party.
Karaoke?
That's right. I love karaoke and I love to sing it.
No, we don't give them
I love karaoke in the morning. I love karaoke in the night. We love pop songs, so I sing pop songs because karaoke is so right. It's my karaoke song, my karaoke song. Please sing along to my karaoke song.
There you have it. Briny.
Alright, well, I guess
Karaoke.
that was a really long video for only having one of them eat, but I guess that's not that bad since we did 3 rehousings and Mama did eat, so. But you can't see because of the thing. That's alright. So I'm going to leave this in there for a little bit, and then if she doesn't take it, I'll take it out, but I'm pretty sure she will once everything calms down on my end. Because I have little people that are here. So, alright, well, thank you for those that stuck around and watched. And I will see you next time.